8 when's that gone?
There's a fictional story behind this locomotive. The Colonial Mattola Eastern bought this locomotive, and it was and they lended it to the Colonial Western. Bill and Captain was said something for the record book. He goes like, you know what they say, sometimes God works in mysterious ways. Well, not today. This here is 266 tons of DH spewing A-line intervention. If going is wrong, you can call me Cuba. It was really weird. Anyway, so what he was saying is that the Dash 8 was going to help him out for sure. He was talking about
in this video, please like, share, and subscribe.